All right, guys, if I can encourage you to do one thing right now, if you're in crypto, it's sit on your hands. You're going to be your own worst enemy because markets pulling back because it ran up like crazy, right? And a bunch of new people came in, started asking about crypto. They buy in. And then what does the market do? It corrects like, well, from here to here, it did 34% on XRP. And then again, we did another 27% over on HBAR from top to bottom, 40% on Bitcoin, top to bottom, 108K it hit, top to bottom, 15%. So we get all these new people in asking about crypto. Finally, they hop in, and then we get these violent pullbacks that we've been having to shake people out, right? And that's fine. You just gotta sit on your hands, man. Um, and I get that, as prices go up, your portfolio value is going up. So these 20, 30, 40% swings are a lot more than they used to be. But if you can't handle that, then you don't deserve the gains. That's why we're here. If it were easy and it weren't hard to hold, then everybody would be holding it and everyone would be rich. But that's not how things work. So you could see here, right? The pattern we have on XRP is, look, it's just beautiful, man. Like literally straight line up, and now we're getting some proper consolidation. Not even breaking below $2, barely. Uh, Things look good, dude. We we sat for years down here at 50 cents, and now we're stressing out about touching $2. Come on, man. We're gonna go through some charts here. Haven't done a little computer video in a while, but guys, sit on your hands. The bull market, in my opinion, is not over. We have a few more months. Okay, we have a few more months of parabolic price action, capitalize maybe more. I'm I, I'm hopeful that it's more, but I'm looking like worst case scenario here, right? A few more months, quarter one of next year, we get like a bull market top, start pulling out money then. But I am optimistic with where we're at right now. So let's go through some tweets. Jack the Rippler, 2017 versus 2024. Again, just showing, the similarities of where we're at. And you can obviously see that, like we go over every time, the broader picture, macro chart, right? Um, just the big consolidation triangle that we were in 2017. We broke out, same as now. And here it is, right? Massive consolidation, breakout, huge pump. Again, here we finally broke out. We're best believe we're going much higher. We're absolutely going to break all-time highs. Then minimum, I'm looking for $7 to $8, bare minimum. I think we hit double digits, somewhere between $10 and $20, maybe higher. And I know that's a big range, but there's no way to tell for certain where these things will end up. So that's what I'm looking for. I'll be starting to scale out around that like $8 area, taking some profit. A lot of it's going to be dependent as well on where the meme coins are at and how they're doing. Because the meme market right now, too, man, absolutely down atrociously. So hopefully, as XRP can start to get a little motion again, we can get some more interest back in the memes and get another wave over there. Because those bags are, down bad right now. And a lot of people can't handle that. So here from Jelly, same stuff, different year. End result is the same, higher. Just showing the chop on Bitcoin, how that is normal too. And I also observed this, that where we're at on Bitcoin in many ways looks very similar to our push up last year. All right, if we take this fractal here, you could compare it kind of like this, right? I was comparing it here, like this, vertical accumulation before this big break. But you could say maybe, right, we already had that big push up. This was like the vertical accumulation smaller, then push up, and now we're chopping before we get ready for that last big leg. And that would line up with the thesis as well early next year. Dark Defender, XRP imitates the 4-hour correction structure on the daily time frame. After the 4-hour correction at the time, XRP ran from $1.20 to $2.90. With a daily break above 290, the frog leap first to the upper Fibonacci level sits at 585 and 876 in the short term. So showing the structure that we had here and how it is repeating here on the daily, even though this was the 4-hour. So looks good to me, man. I think we are just in that waiting room right now before we get the next move. So Neste, are you panicking right before the biggest market move in 8 years? So showing the similarity to 2017 and how we've been comparing this cycle to the 2017 cycle for a long time. And if we really do follow that, then we're probably not going to top Q1 of next year. We're going to run throughout most of next year. And we're going to go a lot higher than most people think, which, again, is a possibility. And I'm hopeful. I hope that that's what happens. It'd be better for all of us. But got to stay grounded, realistic, and make sure we take profits. Here from X, derivatives market equals 1.8 quadrillion. Bitstamp saying XRP is going to make history next year. And Sistine Research saying Bitstamp is building a derivative exchange on XRP Ledger and being acquired by Robinhood in 2025, by the way. So, as usual, you can call it conspiracy theories, call it whatever you want. A lot of stuff going on in the background, a lot of connections that you can make, and we will see what happens. Charting guy, what a bounce for XRP off the lows today, right at the key level I said. If we are truly following 2017, then today was the low. We likely chop another week, then continue the uptrend next week and hitting new all-time highs in January. So perfectly, again, aligning with what we've been saying. And here he overlaid the 2017 fractal onto where we're at. We're over here on the left-hand side. So we'd have, about another week or so, a little bit more of chop. Then we start pushing back up. We go for around that $8 region. Then we get consolidation throughout most of next year until like August or the end of summer, right? And then we get that one final big push, which would take us, well into double digits. So I like the idea. Definitely on the table, I think. Here from Drop, all you have to do is hold. Yep. That's all you have to do, man. Sit on your hands. If you're in positions, probably up still a lot. If you were accumulating the past 3-4 years, sit on your hands. Just chill, man. Crypto V, XRP 2017 versus 2024. In case it wasn't obvious enough, have fun buying my bags off me at $8 to $13. So again, just showing the same thing. How similar it looks. And finally, from another meme coin, Laugh Now XRP. We tried to tell our friends and family to buy XRP at 17 cents, but they laughed. Now everyone's calling and asking if they should buy XRP above $2. The cycle of fading and coping are inevitable for a select few who cannot zoom out. Don't fade XRP at these prices or you'll be a laugh victim. Laugh now, buy higher. So nice little meme there to finish off. Hope you guys enjoyed this little update. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's hope for a beautiful crypto market heading into the new year. Happy holidays, guys. Thank you, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.